and.
I like chocolates and ice creams.
Very good. Go. Conjunction or.
One black pen and or blue pen.
Again repeat.
Do you want black pen or blue pen?
Very good. Go. But.
My friend, he is short, but she is brave. My friend is short, but she is brave.
Very good. Go. Now, so. Tell me.
I was ill, so I did not attend the party.
Again repeat, ma.
I was ill, so I did not attend the party.
Very good. Go. Because.
She ate chocolates because she was hungry.
Again repeat, ma.
She ate chocolates because
She was.
hungry.
Very good. Go. Okay. Tell me by using and.
Alisha and Sai Pranavi are going to school.
Again repeat.
Alisha and Sai Pranavi are going to school.
Very good. Go. Okay. Tell me by using or. Or.
Should we go to park or the zoo?
Again repeat.
Go to park or the zoo.
Very good. Go. Now yours. But.
I wanted to play outside, but it started raining.
Again repeat.
I wanted to play outside, but it started outside raining.
Okay. Go. So.
I woke up early, so I had time to play before school.
Again repeat.
I woke up early, so
I had time.
so I had so time play before school.
Okay. Go.
We drank lot of water because it was a hot day.
Okay. Go.